Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today I'm here back in the TNT Zone. I actually made a lot of videos here a few months ago, but I am back now to show off one of the things I couldn't show off before, and also to potentially explore some areas I didn't know about before. So now this bunker is in the South Bunker area, and I consider it the creepiest bunker here. It is still filled with some stuff. I've only been in here about 4 times, and out of those 4 times, at least 2 of them, I came running out. Now today I have my camera, a lantern, a headlamp, and a flashlight, and we're going to go in and explore it. I'm also going to do a 360 video of this exploration that will probably come out in a few days if you want to see that too. So, as we walk in, you can immediately see some wood debris. We have this thing that's up there, which has always kind of freaked me out a bit, I won't lie. Some more debris. Then basically all over, we kind of have this like maze of these fabric things. They're wood surrounded by fabric. A lot of them have numbers on them. You can barely see the one over here, but like if we look over here, it says 1 on it. I am not really sure what these are, or what they would have been. As you can see, they are covered in mold and mildew. It does smell very moldy in here. Looking at the debris pile, we have some cans. This one looks like whatever was in it ate through it. And we do have a boot. Then over at the side, we have these things that kind of look like cages, especially this one right here. They do say DNR on the side, which I'm guessing means Department of Natural Resources, but I'm not really sure what they'd be trapping out here. So this says more on it. I don't know what it says, honestly. I can't read the letters that well. And then it just keeps going on back with these things. Then we have one of these fabric things that is just kind of piled on top of the other one, which I've never been this close to it. I always thought it was a concrete thing, but now I can just see it's wooden fabric. So let's see if I can get anywhere closer to the back. Okay. So see, this one says 19C, that one says 19A. This one actually looks in really good condition. Like, there's a rip in it, but it doesn't look all moldy and mildewy. We do have more trash. Oh, wow. Over here, there's just a ton of glass jars. They look like they're filled with something. Let me see. Some of them have labels on them. Let's see. West Virginia Ordnance Works. Sampler jab date 1. Looks like 1C6. Time 8:50. So these look like soil samples. This place is heavily polluted, so I guess that would make sense. But why they're left in here all piled up doesn't make any sense. Then we just have a tire and a green board, and then just more of these fabric things. So honestly, it's a lot less scarier than it normally was. I really hope you guys could see, with all the flashlights and stuff I have. The soil samples are really interesting to me. I don't know why they would have been left here. And if anyone knows what these little box things could have been, please let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see the 360 video, it will probably be an exact copy of this video, just in 360. It'll probably come out in a few days. Thank you guys for watching.